close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's...
Hey guys, today I'll be doing a workout day at home. This is how I look, this is how slim I look. Sometime now I've not been doing this workout, but today I want to start my 30 days workout challenge. If you're interested to see the outcome, you might consider subscribing to my channel because I'll be giving you lots of workout video. So first, I'm going to be doing a donkey kick. I'm raising my leg up and I'll be doing this 20 times 3 reps. I'm going to be doing this in both legs 20 times 3 reps. Let's have fun and enjoy the video.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
The second one, I'm going to be doing a side donkey kick, just like a normal donkey kick, but this one we are going to be pushing forward our legs sideways. I'm going to be doing this one 20 times 3 reps, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to shorten down some of the exercises to enable you watch through. Also, I'm going to be putting on the screen the names of the workout, the names of the exercises. Just pay attention and have fun. All the exercises, I'm going to be doing all of them 20 times 3 reps. Like the saying goes, no pain, no gain. So for this exercise to work, there must be pain for you to gain. So many people make this mistake. After the exercise, they are having pain on their leg, but it's not supposed to be so. The pain must be on your glute and not on your leg. So pay attention. This is how I'm just doing it. I'm pushing in my waist, then lift your gluteus muscles up before lifting your leg. This just is, there's no magic to it. So let's have fun and enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to be interchanging the donkey kicks in the sense that after the normal donkey kick, I'm going to be doing the side donkey kick. After the side donkey kick, I'm going to continue with the normal donkey kick. All these, I'm going to do them all together, 60 in each leg, 120 in both legs. I'm going to be doing this 120 for donkey kick, 120 for side donkey kick.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
In my next workout video, I'm going to be giving a detailed video on how to do a squat for effective results. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a side lunges 20 times 3 reps. Like I said, if you're interested to see more of my workout video, click the subscribe button and notify the bell. Click on the notification bell for more videos. Leave a comment on what you think about this video. Thank you for staying through. See you in my next video. Bye.